Hi, I'm Regina,
And I'm Pat.
and we are from Bay & Bay's customer service team. And we are back again for another video. So from our side, since we are with customer service, we are going to talk about the importance of communication. For us, communication doesn't just mean behind an email or internally. We talk to fleet managers, planners, drivers, shippers, receivers, customers, you name it, we talk to them. So Pat, at being a CSR, what is some of your favorite proactive communication emails that you get?
Well, I'm happy you asked that, Regina. One of my favorite emails that I get is a driver who is proactively looking for an empty trailer. Whether he dropped a fully loaded trailer at his last one or he dropped a trailer off at the shop, sometimes you just don't have an empty when you're going to your next pickup. When a driver gives us plenty of time to search and find an empty for him, it can save us a lot of time trying to do it proactively instead of same day or even an hour before. That proactive communication can get us a driver with an empty trailer in a timely manner, save the load and save service. That's one of my favorite emails to get from an FM or a driver.
That's awesome. That just goes right into the same thing. If you are running behind because of trying to find an empty trailer to it, letting us know ahead of time. Shippers love it when we reach out to them. If we're late to an appointment, they'd rather we not be, but if we can tell them ahead of time, they're more than happy to get drivers loaded and worked in because we all know how this industry works. It has to be free flowing.